how to create a poll in WhatsApp. So I'm going to show you how to do this over the mobile app and the desktop app. So right now I've created an example group that I'm going to use. And to create a group, all you need to do is click this button right here, the clip button, and from here select poll. Now you can ask a question here, and here you can add a couple of options. And then click this button right here, and there you go, the poll is up. And now let me show you how to do it over the Windows version. Right now I'm here in WhatsApp, so let's go to the same group example I made. All you need to do from here is click the same exact attach button and click the poll right here. Then click this button right here, and there you go, I've created another poll. So yeah, that's how to create a poll in WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.